Okay, yeah, so I got it right here.
All right.
You see it? You see how
All
small
right.
it
So
is?
you,
You see how
just a
small that thing
little
is,
tiny
man?
guy.
That thing is small.
Hmm.
Dude, he was way smaller than I thought it was gonna be.
No comment.
Yeah.
No. Oh, you know what we're gonna have to do? You should probably disconnect that LED and get ready for the next little mm,
I think we're gonna need
project
that.
here.
I think we're gonna need that logic converter, man.
No, let's get it wired
Look
up
at this
first.
little thing. Look at that little thing.
Hmm. Oh, there's it says GND right there.
Where does it
Looks
say
like it's
GND?
backwards.
It is
Right on the
back. It
pin there.
is. It is. It is. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I guess it
So
does have its own little chip
GND
on
is
it, doesn't it?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what sends out the signals, I guess.
Yeah, it's
So
got its own
all you need is power,
electricity.
ground, and then transmit, receive, and then do a reset. But
Electricity.
you don't really you don't really have to do a reset right now.
All right,
Probably
thanks,
take
man.
it to an input.
Take it to an input. Why I gotta turn my light off? Do you see that it's doing jingle bells? Jingle bell, jingle bell. You see that?
Yeah, I see that better.
Bells, jingle all the way.
You
You
happy?
think I'm joking? No, yeah, I mean, I asked the AI how to do it. It would have taken me a lot longer. Yeah, pretty cool, man. Pretty cool stuff. If you want the code, I can
Looks
send
like
it to you.
yeah, man. You could send it to me,
Send
and
it
I'll
over
throw it
to
in.
you. Send you the code. Wait, do
We'll
what?
put it in our program for conveyor.
Okay. Take down the whole plant. All right, so you said unplug it?
Well, you're gonna want to disconnect your
Power source.
LEDs and everything. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I would just
Wait, you
disconnect
don't
everything
mean
on there.
because you don't mean disconnect the LED from the breadboard. You just mean the power source, or what do you mean?
Both. I mean, unless you want to keep it on there.
I mean, this is supposed to activate the light at some point, right? Like that was the
Oh, yeah, you are
MVP,
right. Okay,
MVP1 was we're going to
okay.
send this
So
thing a signal from my laptop, and then we're going to send it to here, and then it's going to make the light come up.
oh, I believe the way that these work. So I think the red is usually your hot bus bar, and the blue is your common bus bar um, for your power. So
Oh my God.
I think so you what do you have your um
The board.
yeah
You don't see the board.
usually okay, yeah, let me look at that board real quick.
Look at that board. Let me, young blood, come let me look at that board for it. All right. What
All
do you want
right,
to
so it
see?
says
So I have it.
we
It's all
need
on
that
digital.
power.
Oh, you can't
Yeah,
see
we need
that.
the
Hold
power
on.
side
Oh, the analog?
or the power out, the voltage coming out of it. Yeah, power says power.
Yeah, we got 3.3 and then 5.
You want 3.3.
I know.
You want to take the 3.3 and the ground.
So we don't need to use these wires. We can actually use new ones at this point,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. We're gonna.
Yeah, all
You're
right.
gonna want to take the you're gonna want to take the 3.3 near the red strip, and you want to take the ground near the blue strip. That makes sense.
Well, you gotta slow the phone down, brother. You gotta slow down, brother. I thought
Hmm.
the ground was black.
Uh, usually, usually ground is well. This is 24 volts, so it's common really. But actually, this is 3.3 volts. This is very low voltage, so that's probably why it's blue.
Wait, how do you know? Like who said it's blue? Where like how do you know it's blue? It's from your experience, right? But who says what?
Yeah, yeah, we've always,
Okay, okay,
well,
okay.
but this could just be their color coding. I mean, you could use whatever color you want. I don't
Oh,
care.
you're looking at a diagram.
No, this is just from work, from my work, like what we do.
Oh, okay, okay. I'm cool. You're the expert. Okay. So this blue goes where? In the ground, right?
Yeah, blue goes to ground.
Doesn't matter which one, right?
I think they're both tied together. I think you're fine. Yeah, that's fine. Take it to that one, and then take it to that blue strip. I would just put it at the beginning. You see where it says negative?
Yeah. So the
You want to do it to the
are
other
we
side, though.
right? So this is functionally like this is powering this side,
Yep.
and this is
Yeah,
gonna
you're
power
not
the other side.
typically the way you did it. You typically don't do it. Um,
Let's just fix it then.
um, I mean, it's the LED portion right now. So you got the whole that whole bus bar um, being powered by an output for your LED.
That's how the bread bar thing, the bread works, right?
So I believe for the breadboard, I could be wrong. So I believe for the breadboard that it'll actually probably tell you if you do you have the breadboard case that it came in, the little
I,
cardboard box.
I threw it away.
Okay, it maybe it'll tell you on the back. It'll the traces on it. I believe for the red and the blue, they're all connected parallel,
Yeah, they go.
and
I
I
thought they go
think
down.
yes, I think they're all internally connected. Um,
So what? How can I fix what I did wrong?
I I I think what you'd want to do is I think for the holes that are inside of the breadboard, they are connected horizontally. They're connected opposite. Does that make sense? Basically, you would not want the LED connected to the bus bar for the hawk because you're when you fire that output, you're powering up the whole bus bar. So like if you ever connected anything else to that before, you could be firing like 6 or 7 different devices.
You mean because
It
it goes
wouldn't
in like a
isolate.
line?
Yeah, because you're gonna be powering up that whole bus bar. Does that make sense? When you fire an output?
Are you just saying to move this up here then?
No, I'm saying you'd have to move the wire out of the bus bar, and then you'd have to rearrange the LED.
Where else would you put that damn thing?
You'd have to turn it. You'd have to turn the LED sideways,
Oh wow.
horizontal. Yeah, you don't have to do it right now, but
Oh okay.
um, since it's working, I would just power the other side of the breadboard. Like I would
Okay.
take that blue wire you have and take it to the ground,
Right. Well, let's
or that.
let's let's at least do this one right then. So don't put this one up top.
So whenever you do powers, since this is an actual power you have and not an output, the powers are powering that whole bus bar. So that blue is going to be your common or your ground for that whole bus bar. Does that make sense?
Yeah, for the
So
left
if
side, right?
yep, yep, yep. So just take that blue wire and take it to the negative bus bar.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But I thought you were saying it kind of matters if I'm doing it high up or down low.
No, I think those are all. So I think those are all internally connected.
Like if I
So
do
you could
this,
place it
if I do
anywhere.
this one, it's gonna go all the way down the line, I thought.
Yep, yep. That's correct. That's the correct way to do it because that's an actual power, whereas the LED is an output.
Interesting. Oh wait, wait. You just mean I have this on the power side.
Yes, it
instead
needs to
of it
be.
being this row.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're like it's like a separation of concerns, kind of like it shouldn't really be on the power and ground side. It should be in like the application area, output
Yeah, well,
area.
because the reason for that is like, let's say you had like six, let's say you had like six LEDs attached to that. If you ever fired that output and only wanted to hit that one LED, let's say you had six outputs, right? And they're all firing different LEDs based on different inputs.
Yeah,
If you put it on that bus bar there and you connected all of the LEDs to that bus bar, any of the outputs that fire would hit all the LEDs because they're all connected. Does that make sense?
because this is kind of like always
That
on or whatever.
because that output would power the whole entire bus bar. That's a Does that make sense? Because that bus bar runs all the way down.
Right. Hey, please. No. Stop. Recording something. Jeez. And then take the red to the 3.3. Bro, sometimes I feel like it's not in there all the way.
You'll find out if it doesn't work. We'll have to troubleshoot it. But
Yeah. Kind of wish I had a longer wire. I'm gonna have to learn how to solder.
yeah,
Yeah.
I think you'll like soldering. Honestly, it's pretty fun.
Sweet.
All
Yeah,
right,
there
there
we
you go. You
go.
got your
Now
hot and
it keeps
your
coming up.
common hooked up.
Okay. Dude, it keeps popping out.
You could try a different one, different wire.
Oh, you like a different color?
I just meant if it's popping out, maybe you could try a different wire. It might be a little thicker and it'll stick in there better.
I'm gonna see if I can swap them. 3.3. Make sure I don't put that back over there. Ah, I forgot which one I had this in. I think it was an 8.
To look at your program.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Please be an open recent. Okay, we got it. Yeah, it was pin 8. Pin 8. Okay. Oh, what now?
All right, so now you got power and common on that bus bar. So now, where's that other device? That little micro,
This
the
thing?
transmitter thing? Yep. Can you push that into the breadboard? Those pins?
Yeah. Vertical or horizontal? Like this?
Um, I I think it's like that, but I that's why the box would be handy. I think that it would be like that, but I would put it closer to the other way. I put it, yeah, like that, but well, maybe face it the other way, the way you had it, but all the way back there, just because it'd be easier for you.
Maybe put it up
Does it
here?
fit inside the bread? Wherever, just as long as it's, you know.
Yeah, it's in there, secure.
Cool. All right.
Not, but
So
I'm
now
not gonna
you
be
want
able
to.
to. I'm not gonna be able to see the. Oh, I thought it had it on. Yeah, it does have it on here. Yeah, TXT. But you have the schematic thing pulled up, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay. This is the part that I'm unsure of because,
Me too.
well, no, I know how to hook it up, but I don't know how
Oh,
that breadboard is. How the traces are. So let Let me go pull up the kit on Discord and see if I can figure it out to make sure that this breadboard is
All right, cool.
correct.
I'll stop the recording.